And here we are now at the Dragon Cave, and it's a good place to stop for a bit of a break. You can grab a coffee and then go and check the cave out. Okay, this is the entrance to Dragon Cave. It's a bit tight at first, but it opens out to quite a big cave down the back end. The pathway goes along the side of a river and eventually comes to a low overhang. Okay, we're now off the cement pathway and there's a low overhang for about 50 metres or so. We have to duck down to get under it. Okay, it's opening up now into the bigger cave room up ahead. It's a bit of a shame there's nobody actually here for a bit of scale. It's quite a nice cave though. Okay, this is the main feature of the cave. It's quite a nice drapery formation, which is about 15 metres in height. And then I'm panning over to the left side of the cave there. Okay, there's a walkway that goes up to the skylight. That's a new addition to the cave, so makes it a bit easier and safer to get around. And they've also added in this new walkway that goes to the back part of the cave, where there's some nice formations up the end there. And it's time to head out now. There's the exit point there where the daylight is.